Hello and namaste. Hi, this is Bala Saraswati, founder and director of Vedas Ignite Global. Is your child also finding 8 to 3 school difficult? School, morning coaching, evening coaching, traveling, visiting places difficult? So don't worry, there are ways to help your child. First of all, ask, do you want the child to go for an 8 to 3 schooling with pressure where actually your child is a prodigy? Your child is somebody who can excel in a particular field. It could be working in some innovative area. It could be creating a product. It could be today the children have too many opportunities. So we are as parents, we can open their doors for so much without bothering about school academics, without bothering about completion of notes, without bothering about maintaining classworks and homeworks and notebooks through an online system. So if you are someone who feels that, yes, I want to put my child in a particular game, I want my child to play 6 to 8 hours of tennis or practice for tennis and spend a few hours in academics, I think you should take that step and take a step to help your child. Connect with us. We are Vedas Ignite Global. We help children. Not only you help them to excel in sports, we help them to find success in academics. So do join us. We can tell you more about how we work one-on-one with all the super talented teachers who work for this platform. You will be only joyful and relaxed from the stress of syllabus, curriculum, and all that load that we talk about today. See you in the next video.